A tiny body plummets from a cliff as we mistakenly call it suicide, revealing the shocking biological truth that shatters the most famous myth of all. A drop of amber goo bursts from an ant's body. This is the Malaysian exploding ant, a species that quite literally detonates itself when threatened. Older worker ants, whose foraging days are over, contract their abdominal muscles so violently that their bodies rupture, spraying a corrosive, sticky toxin on their enemies to protect the colony. This ultimate sacrifice isn't an act of despair, but an incredible defense mechanism against a visible threat. A single ant climbs a blade of grass, clamping its jaws tight. This ant isn't seeking a better view. Its brain has been hijacked by a parasitic fungus called Ophiocordyceps. The fungus forces the ant into an elevated position perfect for spreading its spores once it erupts from the ant's head. The ant's final climb is an unwilling act orchestrated by an invisible puppet master, not a conscious choice. A massive shadow rests motionless on a sandy shore. Cetacean stranding, where whales and dolphins beach themselves, looks like a deliberate final act, but the science points to tragic accidents. Theories suggest military sonar disorients them, or a sick leader guides the pod astray, or powerful social bonds prevent them from abandoning a dying member. They don't choose to die on land, they become lost and trapped. A tiny male spider somersaults directly into the female's jaws. During mating, the male redback spider performs this incredible flip to position himself to be eaten. This isn't a tragic end, but a brilliant evolutionary strategy. By allowing himself to be devoured, he prolongs copulation, transfers more sperm, and provides the female with a vital nutrient boost for their future offspring. A wave of brown fur surges toward a sheer cliff. The myth of the suicidal lemming is perhaps the most famous misconception in the animal kingdom. These rodents do not intentionally jump to their deaths to control their population. The truth is, their populations boom cyclically, forcing massive migrations where, in a state of frenzied panic, they can accidentally fall from cliffs or drown trying to cross rivers, a tragic consequence of instinct, not intention. These animals aren't giving up, but are driven by selfless sacrifice, parasitic control, or just tragic accidents. Let us know which one of these behaviors you found most surprising.